I went to Tepper. I have spent most of my career in financial services, either in big banks or private equity. But at the same time, I've been lucky enough to have the opportunity to have a working ranch in Montana. I grew up mostly on a small farm in Pennsylvania. Thought I'd never go back, but I do have a ranch there. It's a great place to be, beautiful country, lots of things to do, but not a job-rich environment. And I've noticed some other private entrepreneurs around the country helping create jobs, and I thought, well, I can do my part in Montana. So first I analytically looked at the market and said it's a mining and ag economy, maybe vocational skills. And so we thought about that. The young men that work on my ranch take old machines and rebuild them, and I thought maybe we could do that. It didn't seem a big enough idea. So I was describing it to Jim Garrett, then Dean of Engineering, and he said, well, you ought to see what's going on in the NextManufacturing initiative, additive manufacturing. So I went down, I actually joined the initiative, and suddenly there was an aha moment for me, a big idea for me that made it worthwhile, and that was if I could take traditional vocational skills in a machine shop and combine those with new technology skills in a modern machine shop, we could really create employment opportunities for people. And so that's what we've been working on. We're putting up the building as we speak. And the people on the NextManufacturing, Jack and Tony and Sandra, have been willing to be very, very helpful. The person running the machine shop came down for a couple-day training session. They've been helpful on how we select machines, and I'm employing a young PhD student who's getting his PhD in mechanical engineering as a consultant to help us think forward about products that we might apply. So for me, it was this meeting of what I hear Farnham oftentimes talk about, although it sounds theoretical to me, of, well, we're really good at taking deep disciplinary knowledge and collaborating across many disciplines, many diverse ways of thought. I feel like I'm doing it real time online. So that was what created the interest. So the opportunity to both support Tepper and support mechanical engineering, I thought I was a kind of prototype for this cross-collaboration discipline as an alumni.